Hello everyone, this is Abhishri and welcome back to my channel Science Explore. So friends, today we will extract DNA from a banana. First of all, let us understand what is extracting DNA from banana. First of all, let me tell you that extracting DNA from a banana may sound like a difficult task, but it is not very difficult at all. The process in the extracting of DNA involves a few general steps including matching, filtration, precipitation and extraction. The materials you need for this extracting DNA is banana, salt, warm water, liquid soap, knife, alcohol and strainer. Now let's perform the experiment. Now here is cutted banana which I have cutted using a knife into tiny pieces to explore more of the cells. Now we are just gonna add a pinch of salt in this banana pieces and slightly gonna cover the mixture with warm water. Here the salt will help the DNA stay together during the mashing process. Now here we just have to mix or smash these bananas till it gets all dissolved, and smashing is the most important process in this extracting DNA. Now here our mixture is ready. Now we have to pour this mixture in this glass of jar through the strainer. Now here is the mixture of banana which I have poured in this bowl. Now here I am having this liquid soap. You can use any brand liquid soap. I am gonna use this Vim brand liquid soap. Now I am just gently gonna add 10 ml of liquid soap in this bowl. And we have to stir it. You should try not to create bubbles when stirring. The soap helps to break down cell membranes to release the DNA. Now the step we are gonna follow is we have to add alcohol in this mixture, but instead of alcohol you can also use this nail remover which I am gonna use here. Now you have to carefully pour this nail remover in this. Now we are gonna wait 5 minutes to allow the DNA to separate from the solution. Now using the back side of the spoon we can also separate this DNA. See, you can see over here the DNA. This is the DNA. Here we have extracted this DNA. You can see the white coated on this mixture. See, this is the white coated mixture is the DNA. Now let me explain the process over here. Smashing the banana exposes a greater surface area from which to extract DNA. The liquid soap is added to help break down cell membranes to release the DNA. The filtration step of pouring the mixture through a strainer allows the collection of DNA and other cellular substances. The precipitation step, which was pouring the cold nail remover into the mixture, allows the DNA to separate from other cellular substances. Now here, finally, the DNA is removed from the solution by the extraction. Here I have extracted the DNA using banana. You can also use onions to extract the DNA. So friends, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up to this video and please subscribe my channel. Next time I will be coming with the next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.